Okay, so I read that Apple is planning to release 3 new iPads this year and next year. So they are planning to release a new size again. So they will release a 10.2 inch iPad. If it's an iPad Pro or an iPad Air, I don't know. But personally, I don't think that it's what Apple should do with the iPad really. It's not the hardware that it's the problem, it's the software. We need more apps. The iPad desperately needs more professional apps. What Apple needs to do is to release, for example, apps like Final Cut Pro 10 and maybe also Logic Pro or such professional apps for the iPad. And I think Apple needs to be the company that should start everything, so developers see that it's these kinds of apps the iPad needs. So if Apple could release Final Cut Pro 10, for example, for the iPad, iPad Pro, and so on, then I think more developers will release professional apps for the iPad. So Apple doesn't need a better hardware for the iPad or different sizes of the iPad. So what they need is software, more apps for pro users. That's what Apple and the iPad needs. People want more apps to buy the iPad, so unless Apple is not releasing more professional apps for the iPad and other third-party developers do the same, then the iPad will not sell better simply. So that is what the iPad needs and the users need, not one more size of the iPad. So a 10.2 inch iPad Pro or iPad Air will not change much, because the 9.7 inch iPad Pro and iPad Air is already in the same sized device, and the 12 inch, the 12.7 inch iPad Pro, I think it's 12.7 inch, I don't remember really, but I mean that size is more than the user needs. So please Apple, concentrate on the software instead. Release Xcode for iOS so developers can develop apps directly on the iPad Pro, for example. That would be nice. Do that. Okay, bye.